Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Sagittarius. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Let us see what is coming up. Queen of Cups, the Devil, Knight of Swords, Five of Swords, Queen of Wands. Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel you are, what to say, making some hard efforts. You are striving really hard to overcome some kind of habits, something in your life you want to change, guys. Some habits that may be bad habits, something of that sort, or some other habits, some other routines you just want to break free from, and you are trying really hard. This may be because this may be hampering your work, your ability to work, or your skill, or this may be regarding your relationship. You may be having troubles in your relationship because of this habits, and you want to break free from that, guys. And in this relationship you are very, what to say, you feel loved and you have that mutual understanding. Maybe for the sake of this relationship you want to overcome these habits, guys. That may also be the reason here, that you want to overcome these habits, and you feel very devoted to this person, and you have that love, understanding and pleasure in this relationship, and both of you all benefit from each other's company, guys. You love each other, so that is the energy here, guys. And maybe for some of you all, you are striving hard. So whatever it is in your work or in this relationship, you are making humongous efforts to put things right in your relationship or in your work. So lots of efforts are there, guys. You are trying really hard and you are working to your max. So whatever it is in your relationship or in your work, you're giving in your 100%. And for some of you all, you may be overcoming your difficulties, and you may feel happy for doing it, guys. That you are able to, what to say, overcome a particular situation. That may also be the energy here, Sagittarius. Let us pick more cards, guys, to give us better clarity about your situation. Mice, key, rider, lady, so Sagittarius, with these cards, I feel you are getting some important message or some important information about your relationship or your work, something really important, something which you were expecting, and you are ready to face any challenge you were expecting, so whatever you were expecting in your life, you're ready to face it, this person or the situation, so whatever it is, and you are facing it with courage in your heart, whatever it is, guys. So that is the way you feel today. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel your efforts are going to waste, maybe people are not listening to you. This may be concerning your person or in your work. You may feel people are making use of your efforts, and you may not be the one who's benefiting from that, so they may be taking use of your ideas, and they may take the credit for that. So you feel some kind of, you feel they have robbed you, robbed your intellect, something of that sort, guys, and you feel at a loss because of that, for some of you all. And for some of you all, this person of yours, they have great aspirations, guys. They want to travel abroad, or you want to travel with them. So they have travel plans with you, or you may be having travel plans. This may be regarding your work, both of your work, or it may be just for pleasure, some romantic trip. And this person has set a very high standard for themselves, so that is the way you feel with this person, Sagittarius. And you may also find the energy and the way to overcome the addictions I was talking about, guys. With this card, it's a very positive card. You will what to say, you will feel empowered to take up the path whatever you are destined to take up, and you will feel the courage and protection to walk on the path to reach your goal. So that is the energy with this card, and you will have a resolution of all your problems and challenges, whatever it is, guys. So it is just like you are finding the missing piece of a puzzle, so you will clearly understand what you need to do to overcome your troubles. So that is the energy with these cards, Sagittarius. Let us see what the fairies are guiding us to do today, guys. I'll be picking one card from this deck, Sagittarius. Lady with a boss egg. So that is a fairy card, guys. Sagittarius, the energy with this card is sometimes a universe will be guiding us through certain signs and symbols, guys. We may be seeing certain symbols around us. When we see them, you may have a certain feeling that you want to go here, or you want to do a particular thing. So this is how universe may be guiding us. So maybe also through our intuition, we will know certain things. We will have a gut feeling what we need to do. So sometimes when such intuition is there, we just need to blindly follow that, and we will know that we are safe taking up that choice, guys. So you do not have to voice out how the universe is guiding you. You just have to keep quiet and believe in yourself and in your intuition, and you have to step forward, and you have to be courageous enough to do that action. So whatever you however the universe is guiding you to do through your intuition, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, guys. So that is the reading for today, Sagittarius. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.